Welcome back for another episode. Today we are going to be cleaning out the dryer vent. So ours actually goes from inside the laundry room and then all the way out to the other side of the garage to the exterior. And I've got some pretty easy access inside and outside. I know some of these go through the roof, and we're going to be using the lint eater dryer vent cleaning kit and just a shop vac. I've got a Cobalt 6-gallon shop vac. I'll have links in the description for all this. But first thing is, you might have to move your dryer out of the way. Mine is actually offset, so it's not even behind the dryer, so it's easy access. And remove your drain tube. Remove your vent tube, and even just take a peek down in there and see what it looks like. That's not terrible, but we'll probably run it down there anyway. So if you only have access to the inside, you'll set this up to where the shop vac will suck in just like a normal vacuum. I'm actually going to clean it from the outside and then set the vacuum to push. So it's going to push it out to the outside as I'm brushing it. So first thing we're going to do, open the box and start the vacuum attachment. So this is the wall attachment. Mine does not slide in. I actually have to tape it around the outside, and you can use masking tape or whatever you've got laying around. And then there's a port right here where you put your cleaner through if you're doing the vacuuming, the sucking part. But since I'm going to be pushing, I'm just going to put the shop vac hose in there and blow. Now this time I'm just going to be using some HVAC tape I've had laying around since, where's the date on here? Since 2020. So this stuff's kind of old, but it still works. Don't need much, just enough to hold it in place. Also trying out this new spotlight. It is very bright and definitely helps target what you're looking at. So I'm just gonna put that in there and throw some more tape around it. We're gonna test, make sure that doesn't blow off. Yep, that works good. So I'm gonna be using this brush that will actually fit in there and just wipe everything off as it goes through. And you put it on with a little set screw onto your long tube thingies here. So it'll screw on. Loosen the set screw. And this will screw into place. And then you put the set screw down, so when you back it out or while you're spinning, it doesn't fall off and get stuck in your dryer vent. So now we're going to relocate this all outside, and then we're going to clean it from out there, see how much dirt comes out. The outside at the dryer vent is pretty open around here, so it's not backing up, but these louvers were actually completely covered, caked in dryer vent lint. That's the pile, that's all came off of these louvers. And I've got a sprinkler out here that actually hits this and gets it wet. And then dryer lint just likes to stick to it. So we're just gonna pull these off. And these are pretty flexible, so you just flex and then pull it down. And I've already cleaned off a little bit of it, but if you look down in there, it is absolutely filthy. So we're gonna set this up, do a little quick time lapse. I'm gonna, since this doesn't actually reach all the way to the inside, I'm gonna put this on the inside and we'll watch some more blow out. And what it looks like after, I mean, just from the outside, it looks significantly cleaner. Brand new. It's just like the day it was put in. So I'll put those louvers back on and then show you how to do the inside. So from the inside, just kind of crack your dryer open. That way air can get through the vent. Take your coupler off there, and with my dryer vent, it actually slips inside even with just the tape on there. And this time we're going to be using the suction part of the vacuum. And the same thing, you put from the inside, put that in before you insert that. The brush is already on there. Turn on your vacuum and just drill in and out just like the other one. And this was mostly already clean before, but looking at it this time, it is actually even cleaner. Took a little bit out and then just reinstall everything and you're all set, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.